Hello everyone, I am Vishali Maharana and today I am going to discuss the concept of series. So you all are ready to learn the concept of series? So here we go. First of all, let us try to understand what is series. In Python, series is exactly a type of data structure that is belonging to pandas. Pandas library is having one data structure that is called series, and its feature or characteristic is what? It is one dimensional and it can have integer, string, float, etc. as a element in the series. Now, how can we create a series? We can create series using list or array or dictionary or using scalar values. So during this video, we will see one by one these different ways by which we can create series. Here you can see we are having a small program for creation of series. First of all, we have to import our pandas library in our program because series belong to pandas, and without importing pandas we can't use the series method in our program. So first of all, we have written import pandas as pd, then series method is used to create a series from list. The second line of our program you can see here, x equal pd dot series, and inside of the series brackets one list is given. This list is converting into series because of this series method. And finally we have printed our series, and in output we can see how the series elements are displaying. So this is the first method, creation of series using list. We can give index also for our series. Whatever the series that we are creating, always a series is having by default index values 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. If you want to give indexes according to your wish, so it's also possible. We have to extend our statement pd.series after giving the list elements. Second, after comma, one attribute we will put here, we will use here index. Using index attribute, we are giving the index values for our series elements. So here you can see the series elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and its index values given by us are A, B, C and D. After completing this statement, once we print X, it is printing elements of the series 1, 2, 3, 4 with index values A, B, C and D. So this is about, we can give index also for our series. Now we can create our series using array method also. Using array method we can also create the series. So how can we do it? First of all, we have to again write import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, as we are going to see to use numpy for creation of the series. So we will import numpy also for using the array method. Now first of all, using np.array, where one array is created using the value geeks. This array is taken as the argument in the series method, that is pd.series, and including data. Finally we have got our series with the name ser. Now if we print ser, we are getting the output as elements of the series geeks and its index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is one more method by which we can create the series, that is using dictionary. Dictionary is also helpful for creation of the series, and as we know that series is having keys and values. A series is combination of keys and values. So before creation of the series, we have to declare, we have to create our dictionary. Here dictionary is created with the keys keyboard, mouse and monitor, and its values 500, 250 and 5000. Once a dictionary is created, this dictionary name is passed in series method as argument, and once we pass, we are getting SER, that is the name of the series, and if we print SER, then we are getting again our series with the index values keyboard, mouse and monitor. What we learned here, that the keys keyboard, mouse and monitor, they have become here index values for the series, and the values of the dictionary are now values of series. So this is about creation of the series using dictionary. Now here one more way by which we can create the series using scalar values. How we can do it? On the screen you can see, first of all we have to create, we have to import pandas and numpy in our program. Then inside the series method we will give single value. Here it is given as 5, and its index values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is given here only one time, but this 5 will become 5 or 6 elements in the series, because as per the number of index values, as the index values are 6, because of that our series will have 6 elements in it. So in this way we have understood how can we create our series using array, using list, using dictionary and using scalar value. Thank you very much.